Now, in this video, we will do exercise 7.1 of chapter number 7, Coordinate Geometry, class 10th. Question number 1, and this is part number 1. Find the distance between the following pairs of points. One is 2, 3 and other is 4, 1. We need to assume these now. Let P has coordinates 2, 3 and Q has coordinates 4, 1. So we need to find PQ. You need to apply the distance formula. I have told you either you can do x2 minus x1 whole square plus y2 minus y1 whole square, or you may do x1 minus x2 whole square plus y1 minus y2 whole square. So in first question I am taking the formula this x2 minus x1 whole square plus y2 minus y1 whole square under root. Here x2 is what? 4. x1 is 2. This is x1 square plus y2 here is 1 minus y1 is 3 under root. 4 minus 2 is 2. So 2 square plus 1 minus 3 is minus 2. So 2 square is what? 4. And minus 2 square, again you can see the power of minus is what? Even number. So it will give positive result. 2 2s are 4. And 4 plus 4 is what? 8. 8 can be written as 4 into 2. Square root of 4 is 2. And this 2 will remain inside the under root sign. 2 under root 2. Second part, minus 5 comma 7, and the another point is minus 1 comma 3. Now it is not necessary that always you assume P and Q only. You may take let A minus 5 comma 7, B minus 1 comma 3. I am finding the distance by using distance formula. Now here I am taking other way. x1 minus x2 whole square plus y1 minus y2 whole square. I have told you by application of both the formulae result will be the same. x1 here is minus 5. Then minus x2 is minus 1. So that will come in bracket. And it will be whole square plus y1 7 minus y2 is 3. So 7 minus 3 whole square under root sign. So it will become minus 1 minus minus plus, and 7 minus 3 is 4. So square of 4, and this is again under root sign. Minus 5 plus 1 gives minus 4, and this is 4 square. Minus 4 square is 16 plus 4 square is again 16. So 16 plus 16 is 32 under root. 32 can be written as 4 into 4 into 2 and whole under root. So this is one pair of 4. So I will take out 4 outside, inside will be under root 2. So this is 4 under root 2, answer of part number second. Now part number third of question number 1 only. The coordinates are given a comma b, then minus a comma minus b. So let I am taking here p. P has coordinates a comma b, comma q has coordinates minus a comma minus b. So we will find out pq. Now here I am applying the formula x2 minus x1 whole square plus y2 minus y1 whole square under root. x2 is minus a and this is minus a. This is whole square plus y2 is minus b and this will also become minus b whole square and it is whole under root. Minus a and minus a both carry negative sign, so they will be added. Minus 2a whole square plus minus 2b whole square. Square of minus is plus, so it will be 4a square then plus 4a square. 4a square plus 4a square becomes 8a square under root. So this can be written as 2 into 2 into 2 and then a into a. This is one pair and this is another pair. From pair one number will be taken once, 2 into a outside. Inside will be only under root 2. So the answer is 2a under root 2. 2a under root 2. Now question number second of this exercise is find the distance between the points 0, 0 and 36, 15. So I have written here let, we can give naming to these points. Let any point you can take P, it has coordinates 0, 0. Q has coordinates 36, 15. So PQ will be what? X2 minus X1 whole square, 36 minus 0 whole square plus 15 minus 0 whole square under root. So this will become 36 का whole square plus 15 का whole square. 36 are 1296 and 15 square is 225. So you can add these 1296 and 225. This is 1521. 1521 under root. So we have found this distance. Further it is asked, can you find the distance between the two towns as discussed in section number 7.2. So you can refer to section 7.2 and there you can see what was the coordinate of A and what was the coordinate of B, and accordingly it can be found. So if you have done that already sections, so A and B's distance can be found. What were the points? This 1521's under root can also be taken further, right? ये देखो कैसे लेते हैं under root. 1521, this is one pair, this is one pair. 3 3s are 9. Squares का टेबल पढ़ोगे. 15 minus 9 is 6 and this is 21. Double of 3, 3 2s are 6. Right? 6. Now 6 is a table up to 62. 6 10s are will not work. 6 9s are 54. So 69 into 9. 621. 9 here and 9 here. This is 621. So this is 39. Right? 39 is this distance between 0 0 and 36, 15. And if you measure the distance between A and B from the section which is given, that will also be 39 only. You may calculate, right? Now next question. Question number 3. Determine if the points 1, 5, then 2, 3 and -2, -11 are collinear, right? So you have already studied that when the sum of the lengths of two line segments is equal to the length of third line segment. I repeat again, पहले तो आप क्या करो, इसके नेमिंग कर दो. Let A has coordinates 1, 5, B has coordinates 2, 3 and C has coordinates -2, -11. Now listen, I repeat again, the sum of the lengths of any two line segments, if it is equal to length of the third line segment, then we can say that the 3 points are collinear. So we will find AB, then we will find BC, and then we will find CA. So let's calculate AB first. 2 minus 1 whole square plus 3 minus 5 whole square. So what is 2 minus 1? 1. This is 1 square, and 3 minus 5 is -2 square. 1 square is 1 and -2 square is 4. 1 plus 4 under root becomes 5 under root. Right? अब आप क्या करो, BC फाइंड आउट करो. BC -2 ये भी मैं x2 - x1 होल स्क्वायर लगा रहा हूं, प्लस -11 - 3 होल स्क्वायर. तो -2 - 2 बन गया -4, तो -4 का स्क्वायर प्लस -14 का स्क्वायर, तो -4 का स्क्वायर तो बन गया 16, और ये भी माइनस का स्क्वायर प्लस बनेगा 14, 14 जार 196. अगर 196 में 16 को ऐड कर दें तो ये बनता है 212 अंडर रूट. अब आप क्या फाइंड आउट करोगे, CA फाइंड आउट करो. CA तो ये देखो -2 - 1 उसका होल स्क्वायर प्लस -11 - 5 इसका भी होल स्क्वायर. तो -2 - 1 इज -3 होल स्क्वायर प्लस -11 - 5 is -16 whole square and its under root. What is -3 square? It is +9. -16 whole square is 256 under root. So 256 and 9 when you have added, you will get 265 under root. Now observe carefully. Can AB plus BC be equal to AC? Never. So you will write, since AB plus BC is not equal to CA, ये हो ही नहीं सकता इक्वल, तो therefore 1, 5, 2, 3, -2, -11 are not collinear. They can never be collinear points. I hope the question is clear to you all.